So hey guys, in this video we're gonna learn about how you can increase the downloading speed over on Epic Games. The process is quite simple, just follow the steps properly. Alright, so here once I go and unpaused the game, you can see my downloading speed right here is not constant. After a few seconds the speed drops and this is not enough to download any game with 40 gigabytes of size. So how you can increase the downloading speed over on your Epic Games? Watch the video till the end. Okay, so for that all you need to do, you have to click over on your profile icon in the top right and head to settings. Once you're in settings, just enable the throttle download and set the downloading speed to around 1024 kilobytes, which is equal to 1 gigabyte. And now if I go to download, just wait for a few seconds here. So you have to just wait for a few minutes and the speed increases automatically, and you can see right now I have 1 megabyte of downloading speed. So this is basically how you can increase the downloading speed over on Epic Games. That's all for today's video guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.